In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain to Cloudways. If you've recently bought a domain and you want to connect it to your website on Cloudways, there's one important thing to understand first. Cloudways is not a domain registrar, so you won't find a one-click connect button that finishes everything for you. Instead, you need to connect your domain and your Cloudways application through DNS settings and then finish the setup inside Cloudways itself. Once you understand that flow, the process becomes much easier. First, log into your Cloudways account and open the Applications section. From there, select the specific application or website you want to connect to your custom domain. On the Access Details page, look for the public IP address. This is the address your domain will point to, so go ahead and copy it carefully. Next, open a new tab and sign in to the account where your domain is managed. This could be a registrar or DNS provider. Open the DNS management area for your domain and review the current records. If there are old A records or default parking records already there, remove the ones that would conflict with your root domain setup. Now create a new A record. Set the host to the root symbol, which represents your main domain. Then paste in the Cloudways public IP address you copied earlier. For TTL, choose automatic or 1 hour if that option is available. After that, add a CNAME record. Set the host to www and point it to your root domain. This makes sure both the non-www and www versions of your site can reach the same destination. Once the DNS records are saved, go back to Cloudways. In the Application Management menu, open Domain Management. Choose the option to add a domain, then enter your main domain name and save the changes. After it appears in the list, open the options beside it and set it as the primary domain. This tells Cloudways which domain your application should officially respond to. After your domain is mapped, open the SSL certificate section. Enter an active email address and the domain you just added, then install the certificate. This enables HTTPS using Let's Encrypt, which is essential for security, and also helps build trust with visitors. Finally, take a moment to verify everything. Check that the correct domain is listed as primary, confirm the SSL status is active, and make sure your DNS records point to the right server IP. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to fully propagate, so if the site doesn't update instantly, that's normal. Once all of that is in place, your domain should be successfully connected to Cloudways. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.